Methodist Girls' School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Methodist Girls' School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section A. Question 1. 5 10,000s, 9 10s, and 6 1s is the same as 5 10,000s, 9 10s, and 6 1s. In numeric will be 5, 0, 0, 9, 6. The answer is 2. Question 2. In 80,123, the digit 0 is in the blank place. The digit 0 is in the thousand place. The answer is 3. Question 3. 27,013 written as numerals is 27,013 written as numerals will be 2, 7, 0, 1, 3. The answer is 2. Question 4. Which one of the following is the first common multiple of 6 and 8? The multiple of 6 will be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and more. The multiple of 8 will be 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, and more. The first common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. The answer is 2. Question 5. Which one of the following is a multiple of 9? The multiple of 9 will be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, and more. The multiple of 9 is 18. The answer is 2. Question 6. Which one of the following is an equivalent fraction of 3 over 8? Convert 3 over 8 to denominator 16 will be, multiply 3 over 8 by 2, and the product is 6 over 16. Convert 3 over 8 to denominator 24, will be multiply 3 over 8 by 3, and the product is 9 over 24. The answer is 4. Question 7. A stationery set cost $27. Mrs. Lim bought 475 stationery sets to contribute to a donation drive. How much did Mrs. Lim pay for the stationery sets? The total amount that Mrs. Lim has paid will be, multiply 475 by 27, and the product is $12,825. Mrs. Lim paid $12,825 for the stationery sets. The answer is 4. Question 8. Which of the following numbers, when rounded to the nearest 100, does not give 72,300? Round 72,249 to the nearest 100 will be 72,200. Round 72,281 to the nearest 100 will be 72,300. Round 72,301 to the nearest 100 will be 72,300. Round 72,349 to the nearest 100 will be 72,300. The answer is 1. Question 9. Which one of the following angles is 155 degrees? From the protractor, these are the following findings. Angle PQT is 25 degrees. Angle PQS is 145 degrees. Angle RQT is 155 degrees. Angle RQS is 35 degrees. The answer is 3. Question 10. Arrange the following from the smallest to the greatest. 3/7, 5/8, and half. The common denominator for 3/7, 5/8, and half will be 56. Convert 3/7 to denominator 56 will be multiply 3/7 by 8, and the product is 24/56. Convert 5/8 to denominator 56 will be multiply 5/8 by 7, and the product is 35/56. Convert half to denominator 56 will be multiply half by 28, and the product is 28/56. The answer is 2. Question 11. The time on the clock is 2:40 p.m. The minute hand makes a half turn clockwise. What time will it be after the turn? After making a half turn clockwise, the minute hand will be at 10 minutes position, and hour hand will pass 3 o'clock position. The time will be 3:10 p.m. The answer is 4. Question 12. Mrs. Chua had 40 meters of cloth. She used 3/5 of it to make a sofa cover. How many meters of cloth did she have left? The amount of cloth left in fraction with B. Subtract 1 from 3/5, and the difference is 2/5. 1/5 of the cloth will be divide 40 by 5, and the quotient is 8. 2/5 of the cloth will be multiply 8 by 2, and the product is 16. Mrs. Chua was left with 16 meters of cloth. The answer is 2. Question 13. Jamila used 1/4 of a kilogram of sugar to bake some muffins. She used 1/12 of a kilogram more sugar to bake some cookies than the muffins. How much sugar did she use to bake the cookies? Express your answer in the simplest form. The common denominator for 1/4 and 1/12 is 12. Convert 1/4 to denominator 12 will be multiply 1/4 by 3, and the product is 3/12. The amount of sugar used to bake the cookies will be add 3/12 to 1/12, and the sum is 4/12. Convert 4/12 to the simplest form will be 1/3. The answer is 1. Question 14. In the figure below, which angle is a right angle? From the figure above, angle BCD is a right angle. The answer is 3. Question 15. Mr. Lim had some balloons. He tied them into 208 bunches of 7 balloons each. How many balloons were tied? Multiply 208 by 7, and the product is 1456. The answer is 3. Question 16. A number rounded to the nearest tens in 6000. Which one of the following is the smallest possible number? Round 6014 to the nearest tens will be 6010. Round 6003 to the nearest tens will be 6000. Round 5996 to the nearest tens will be 6000. Round 5985 to the nearest tens will be 5990. The answer is 3. Question 17. Rectangle EFGH is made up of 7 identical rectangles, as shown below. Find the length of GH. The length EH is equal to 15 cm, which is equal to the width of 5 rectangles. The width of the rectangles will be divide 15 by 5, and the quotient is 3. The length of GH is equal to 2 widths plus 1 length, which is equal to add 3 cm to 3 cm and to 15 cm, and the sum is 21 cm. The answer is 4. Question 18. Identify the pair of parallel lines in the figure below. The 2 lines that are parallel to each other will be AB and CD. The answer is 1. Methodist Girls' School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section B. Question 19. 25,010 is 450 more than. Subtract 25,010 from 450, and the difference is 24,560. The answer is 24,560. Question 20. Use the digits below to form the smallest 5-digit odd number, with 8 in the hundreds place. 8 1 3 0 4 2. The smallest number from the 6 numbers will be 1. The number 1 will be placed in the 10,000s place. 0 cannot be used in the 10,000 place, as it will not be considered as a valid 5-digit number. The next smallest number will be 0, and place in the 1000 place. The hundreds place will be 8. The next smallest number will be 2, and place in the tens place. The last digit in the ones place will need to be an odd number. The next smallest number will be 3, and place in the ones place. The 5-digit odd number 10,823. Question 21. What is the missing fraction? Give your answer in the simplest form. The common denominator for 6 and 1 over 6, 6 and 1/3, 6 and a half, and 6 and 5 over 6 will be 6. As the whole number is 6, we shall do the conversion for the fractions. Convert 1/3 to denominator 6 will be multiply 1/3 by 2, and the product is 2 over 6. Convert half to denominator 6 will be multiply half by 3, and the product is 3 over 6. The sequence will be 6, 6, and 1 over 6, 6, and 2 over 6, 6, and 3 over 6, 6, and 4 over 6, 6, and 5 over 6, 7. The missing fraction is 6, and 4 over 6. Simplify to lowest term will be 6, and 2 over 4. The answer is 6, and 2 over 4. Question 22. 2 and 3 are two of the common factors of 6 and 12. What are the other common factors? The factors for 6 will be 1, 2, 3, and 6. The factors for 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The other two common factors will be 1 and 6. Question 23. What is the missing number in the box? Complete the number pattern. 1505, 1480. Missing number 1430, 1405. The difference between 1505 and 1480 will be: subtract 1505 from 1480, and the difference is 25. The difference between 1430 and 1405 will be: subtract 1430 from 1405, and the difference is 25. Let us assume that the interval between the numbers is 25. The difference between 1480 and the missing number will be: subtract 1480 from 25, and the difference is 1455. Let us counter-check on the answer. If the missing number is 1455, the difference between 1455 and 1430 will be: subtract 1455 from 1430, and the difference is 25. The missing number is 1455. Question 24. Ravi made an art piece out of 24 diamond-shaped cardboards. How many more diamond-shaped cardboards must be shaded, so that 3/8 of the art piece is shaded? One over 8 of the art piece will be: divide 24 by 8, and the quotient is 3. 3/8 of the art piece will be: multiply 3 by 3, and the product is 9. The additional cardboards need to be shaded will be 3. Question 25. 38/5 is equal to 7, and missing number over 10. What is the missing number in the box? Convert 38/5 to a mixed number will be: divide 38 by 5, and the quotient is 7, remainder 3. The mixed number will be 7, and 3/5. Convert the fraction to common denominator 10 will be: multiply 3/5 by 2, and the product is 6/10. Therefore, 38/5 is equal to 7, and 6/10. The missing number in the box is 6. Question 26. A toy duck weighs 58 grams. Mr. Tan bought 35 toy ducks for a science experiment in school. What was the total mass of the toy ducks that Mr. Tan had to carry to school? Multiply 58 by 35, and the product is 2030. The total mass of the toy ducks is 2030 grams. Use the information below to answer question 27 and 28. The square grid below shows the plan of a park. Ali and his family are in the park. Question 27. A In which direction is the food center from the duck pond? B. In which direction is the bicycle kiosk from the food center? A. The food center is southeast direction, from the duck pond. B. The bicycle kiosk is west direction, from the food center. Question 28. From the food center, Ali and his family cycled 200 meters north to the campsite. Using a blue or black pen, trace the route and mark the location of the campsite with an X on the grid above. The route from the food center to the campsite is marked and shown on the grid. Question 29. Using a protractor and a ruler, draw angle WYZ, which is equal to 58 degrees. Mark and label the angle. The line way has been drawn for you. Using a protractor, and measure 58 degrees. Use a ruler, and draw a line upwards slightly to the left. Draw an arc, and label the angle 58 degrees. Question 30. I am a number. When I am divided by 6, the quotient is 207, and the remainder is 3. What number am I? We will have to work the equation backward to get that number. The product of 207 and 6 will be, multiply 207 by 6, and the product is 1242. The sum of 1242 and 3 will be, add 1242 to 3, and the sum is 1245. The number is 1245. Question 31. Amanda had 2,349 star stickers. She bought some animal stickers. The number of star stickers was 9 times the number of animal stickers. How many animal stickers did she buy? The amount of animal stickers will be, divide 2,349 by 9, and the quotient is 261. Amanda bought 261 animal stickers. Question 32. A bar of chocolate costs $8. Betty has $100. How many bars of chocolate can she buy at most? Divide 100 by 8, and the quotient is 12, remainder 4. Betty can buy at most 12 bars of chocolate. Question 33. The figure is made up of 3 cm squares. Find the perimeter of the figure. There are 12 sides of the square that form the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter of the figure will be, multiply 12 by 3, and the product is 36. The perimeter of the figure is 36 cm. Question 34. The figure below is made up of a square, A, B, C, D, and a rectangle D, E, F, G. Find the length of CG. A, B, C, D is a square. The 4 sides will be of equal length. AB is equal to BC, is equal to CD, is equal to DA, is equal to 6 cm. D, E, F, G is a rectangle. F is equal to DG, is equal to 15 cm. The length CG will be, subtract DG from CD, which is equal to, subtract 15 from 6, and the difference is 9. The length of CG is 9 cm. Question 35. Sam spent 1/5 of his money on a book. He also bought a pair of shoes for $49. He had $19 left. How much money did he spend on the book? After spending 1/5 money on a book, Sam is left with 4/5 of his money. Out of 4/5 of his money, he spent $49 on a pair of shoes, and left with $19. 4/5 of his money will be, add $49 to $19, and the sum is $68. 1/5 of his money will be, divide $68 by 4, and the quotient is $17. Sam spent $17 for the book. Question 36. Madam Amina bought a big container of washing detergent of 3 liters. She poured some of the washing detergent into 2 small bottles. Each small bottle contained 1/3 liter of the washing detergent. How much washing detergent was left in the big container? Express your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. The amount of detergent in the 2 small bottles will be, multiply 1/3 by 2, and the product is 2/3. Convert 3 to improper fraction, with denominator 3 will be, multiply 3 over 1 by 3, and the product is 9 over 3. The amount of detergent left in big container will be, subtract 9 over 3 from 2/3, and the difference is 7 over 3. Convert 7 over 3 to mixed number will be, divide 7 by 3, and the quotient is 2, remainder 1. The answer is 2 and 1/3. Methodist Girls' School. First Semestral Assessment 2019. Primary 4 Mathematics. Section C. Question 37. Mr. Chua spent $287 on a buffet dinner for his family at a restaurant. The price for an adult was $75. He took his wife, his mother, and 2 young children to the restaurant. A. How much did he pay for the adults? B. What was the cost for one child? There will be a total of 3 adults: Mr. Chua, his wife, and his mother. The total amount Mr. Chua paid for adults will be, multiply $75 by 3, and the product is $225. A. He paid $225 for adults. The total amount he paid for 2 young children will be, subtract $287 from $225, and the difference is $62. The total amount he paid for one child will be, divide $62 by 2, and the quotient is $31. B. The cost for one child will be $31. Question 38. A fruiterer had 1,332 fruits. There were 60 fewer oranges than apples. There were 24 more bananas than oranges. How many oranges were there? There were 60 fewer oranges than apples, and 24 more bananas than oranges. Therefore, oranges will be the least. Let us take oranges as 1 unit. There will be 60 more apples than oranges. There will be 24 more bananas than oranges. The total amount of fruits will be, add 1 unit, to 1 unit plus 60, and to 1 unit plus 24, which is equal to 1,332. 3 units plus 84, will be equal to 1,332. 3 units will be equal to 1,248. 1 unit will be, divide 1,248 by 3, and the quotient is 416. The answer is 416. Question 39. Pupils from Peace School visited the zoo. The number of boys was 5 times the number of girls. There were 372 more boys than girls. How many children visited the zoo altogether? There are 4 units more boys than girls. 4 units will be equal to 372. 1 unit will be, divide 372 by 4, and the quotient is 93. There are a total of 6 units of boys and girls. 6 units will be, multiple 93 by 6, and the product is 558. The total amount of children visited the zoo will be 558. Question 40. ABCD is a square. BCXY is a rectangle. Find the sum of angle A and angle B. Triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. Angle BCD is a right angle which is 90 degrees. Angle B, which is equal to angle CBD, and will be, divide 90 by 2, and the quotient is 45. Angle B is 45 degrees. BCXY is a rectangle. Angle CXY is 90 degrees. Angle A will be, subtract 90 from 32, and the difference is 58 degrees. The sum of angle A and angle B will be, add 58 to 45, and the sum is 103. The sum is 103 degrees. Question 41. The table below shows the height and masses of 3 plants A, B, and C. A. What is the difference in mass between plant A and plant C? B. What is the total mass of the 3 plants? C. The total height of A and B is 6/8 meters. What is the height of plant B? Express your answer in the simplest form. The common denominator for 6/10 and 1/5 is 10. Convert 1/5 to denominator 10 will be, multiply 1/5 by 2, and the product is 2/10. The difference in mass between plant A and plant C will be, subtract 6/10 from 2/10, and the difference is 4/10. Simplify 4/10 to lowest form will be, 2/5. A. The difference in mass is 2/5 kg. The total mass of the 3 plants will be, add 6/10 to 2/10, and to 1/10, and the sum is 9/10. B. The total mass is 9/10 kg. The common denominator for 2/4 and 6/8 is 8. Convert 2/4 to denominator 8 will be, multiply 2/4 by 2, and the product is 4/8. The height of plant B will be, subtract 6/8 from 4/8, and the difference is 2/8. Simplify 2/8 to lowest form will 1/4. C. The height of plant B is 1/4 meters. Question 42. The cost of a cupboard is $105, cheaper than the cost of a television set. Ms. Lee paid $1,920 for 1 cupboard, and 2 television sets. What is the cost of a television set? Let us take the cost of the cupboard as 1 unit. The cost of 1 television will be, 1 unit plus $105. The cost of 2 television sets will be, 2 units plus $210. The total cost for 1 cupboard, and 2 television sets will be, 3U plus $210, which is equal to $1,920. 3 units will be, subtract $1,920 from $210, and the difference is $1,710. 1 unit will be, divide $1,710 by 3, and the quotient is $570. The cost of a television set will be, add $570 to $105, and the sum is $675. The answer is $675. Question 43. May read 9 pages of a book in a day. Narin read 6 pages of the same book in a day. When May finished reading the book, Narin still had 21 more pages to go. A. How many days did May take to finish reading the book? B. How many pages are there in the book? May read 3 more pages than Narin in a day. When May finished reading the book, Narin still had 21 more pages to go. The number of days May took to finish the book will be divide 21 by 3, and the quotient is 7. A. May took 7 days to finish the book. The number pages in the book will be multiply 9 by 7, and the product is 63. B. There are a total of 63 pages in the book. Question 44. Ahmad had 80 more stickers than Tom. After Tom gave Ahmad 10 stickers, Ahmad had twice as many stickers as Tom. How many stickers did Tom have at first? After Tom gave Ahmad 10 stickers, Ahmad had twice as many stickers as Tom. Ahmad will have 2 units of stickers, as compared to Tom with 1 unit. 1 unit will be add 10 to 80, and to 10, and the sum is 100. The amount of stickers Tom had at first, before giving 10 stickers to Ahmad, will be add 100 to 10, and the sum is 110. Tom had 110 stickers at first. If you enjoy our video, please do click on like and share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.